Beautifully rustic home offices, bringing nature into your workspace. Introduction: the charm of rustic home offices. Welcome back to the Decor Lab channel, where we bring you the best inspirations for rustic home decor. In today's video, we're diving into the enchanting world of beautifully rustic home offices. As more people shift to remote work or home-based businesses, the need for a workspace that inspires productivity and creativity has never been greater. Imagine stepping into an office that seamlessly blends the calming elements of nature with rustic charm, making your work environment not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Before we embark on this journey of transformation, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment below with your thoughts on rustic office designs. Now, let's explore how you can create a workspace that embodies warmth, comfort, and natural beauty. Embracing natural materials for a rustic feel. The foundation of any beautifully rustic home office lies in its materials. When designing your workspace, consider incorporating natural elements like wood, stone, and metal. For instance, a reclaimed wood desk not only adds character but also tells a story, making it a focal point of your office. Pair it with metal accents, like a vintage desk lamp or shelving brackets, to enhance that rustic vibe. Additionally, choose furniture that features natural finishes rather than synthetic ones. This will create an organic feel that resonates with the environment. Harnessing light, brightening your workspace. Lighting is a crucial aspect of any workspace, especially in a rustic home office. Natural light can dramatically enhance the ambience, making the space feel more open and inviting. If possible, position your desk near a window to take advantage of the sunlight throughout the day. Consider adding sheer curtains to diffuse the light, creating a soft and warm atmosphere. In addition to natural light, incorporate layered lighting options, such as task lighting and ambient lighting. A rustic chandelier or pendant light can serve infusing nature, bringing the outdoors in. One of the defining characteristics of a rustic home office is its connection to nature. To enhance this connection, introduce greenery into your workspace. Houseplants not only purify the air but also add vibrant color and texture. Consider low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants, which thrive in indoor environments. If you're short on space, wall-mounted planters or hanging pots can be a great solution. Additionally, incorporating natural elements such as stones, driftwood, or even a small water feature personal touches, reflecting your style. A beautifully rustic home office should also reflect your personality and style. Incorporate personal touches that inspire you and make the space feel uniquely yours. This could be through artwork, photographs, or decorative items that hold special meaning. For example, a gallery wall featuring nature-inspired art or rustic landscapes can serve as a daily source of inspiration. Additionally, consider adding vintage finds, such as an antique globe or a rustic clock, to create a sense of nostalgia. These elements not only enhance creating a functional layout, maximizing efficiency. While aesthetics are essential, a beautifully rustic home office must also be functional. Consider the layout of your workspace carefully to ensure that it promotes efficiency. Arrange your furniture in a way that allows for easy movement and access to all your essential tools. Use storage solutions that maintain the rustic theme, such as wooden cabinets or woven baskets. Keep your workspace organized by incorporating stylish organizers for your papers and office supplies. By creating a functional layout, you not only enhance your productivity but also The power of color, choosing earthy tones. Color plays a significant role in establishing the mood of your rustic home office. Earthy tones like browns, greens, and soft grays can create a soothing atmosphere that resonates with the natural surroundings. When choosing a color palette, consider using warm hues for the walls and larger furniture pieces, while adding pops of color through decor and accessories. For instance, a muted green accent wall paired with wooden furniture can evoke the feeling of being surrounded by nature. Additionally, consider incorporating textiles in your color scheme, such as a rustic area rug or cushions with Functional decor, merging beauty with purpose. In a beautifully rustic home office, decor should be both beautiful and functional. Look for ways to incorporate decorative elements that serve a purpose. For example, a stylish bulletin board can display important notes and reminders while adding visual interest to your walls. Similarly, choose bookends that reflect your rustic theme, such as those made from reclaimed wood or stone. You might also consider wall-mounted shelves that showcase your favorite books and decor, allowing you to personalize your space while keeping it organized. Conclusion: crafting your rustic sanctuary. Creating a beautifully rustic home office is an opportunity to design a workspace that inspires creativity and productivity while bringing nature indoors. By incorporating natural materials, maximizing light, and infusing personal touches, you can create a sanctuary that resonates with warmth and charm. Remember, your home office should reflect your style and personality while providing a functional space for your work. We hope this video inspires you to transform your workspace into a beautifully rustic haven. Don't forget to subscribe to Decor Lab